So it's that time of year where we have all the Black Friday sales and the Cyber Monday sales, so I decided to do a sale on my Gumroad store. So if you use the discount code RyanKingArt, then you can get 50% off these products right here. So the products that are 50% off is the Martian Environment Blender course, where I show you how to create this Martian environment. Also the Space Station Corridor Blender course, where I show you how to create this Space Station Corridor render right here. And then also my Blender procedural material packs 1 through 4. So I create packs of Blender procedural materials, and all of my procedural material packs 1 through 4 are all going to be 50% off. And as well as that, my sci-fi robot drone tutorial series will be 50% off as well. Now that course is free on my YouTube channel, but if you purchase it, you'll get the video files that you can watch offline, and you'll also get the textures and the final renders and the finished Blender file and all that. And then also my Blender Complete Beginner tutorial series will also be 50% off as well. And again, that one is a free course on YouTube, but if you purchase it, you'll be able to get the final renders and the textures and the finished Blender file and all of the video tutorials that you can watch offline. So I will have the links in the video description to all of these products. So again, just use the discount code at checkout RyanKingArt and you'll get 50% off. So if you've been interested in getting any of these products, then now is a great time to do that. And at the time that I post this video, the sale will be going on for 4 days. So the sale will end on Monday, November 29th at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I hope you enjoy the sale, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in a future video.